Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a tutorial on waterfall braid. So first you start combing out her hair. After you get two strings, cross one over the other. Take a string from another part of a different section and keep it in between the both two strings that you had from the beginning. Cross the both two strings across each other, and then you just repeat the first step that you done. So you take another string, put it in the middle of those two, take both of the other string and cross them each other, and that's it. So this is the finished result. As you can see, it's done, but her hair is slightly short, so it wouldn't complete the full head. But as you can see, the waterfall, and there's a braid.